y'all, welcome to a new video. It's your girl Mika. For those who are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I am on my way to two events today. First stop is going to be a new med spa is opening up in Marietta, so I'm going to check that out. And I am going to a whiskey tasting event as well. So I'm looking forward to the whiskey event and the med spa event. I want to see like what they have popping out there, like what's to do, like what's going on. So I'm curious about that. And you know, if you can see, I got a new look, y'all. Got a new look. So yeah, so last night I did some crochet braids. I did not film the process because it was a long process, but if I do it again I may film it, I don't know. But I just want to kind of like tap in with y'all. The traffic is heavy out here and I need to focus on driving. So I will check back in with y'all at the event.
All the pretty girls walk like this. Pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty girls walk like this. Boss bitch, pull up in the bed. Put out my wrist with some ice and grab my neck. Sitting on my ex, on to the next. He know this pussy good cause he always come back. I like diamonds, shining, fly me to an island. If I say I want it, then you know he gon' buy it. Foreign, private, designer, style. I'll throw a tip to know a bitch to get childish. So dumb on the dick, know he loving the move. If I'm fucking with him, he ain't fucking with you. Made him blow a bag, spit that all on shoes. And all the pretty girls walk like this. Pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty girls walk like this. Pretty girls walk like this. All the pretty girls walk like. Walk into this bitch like I got money then. I came in with some dollars, I ain't come with them. If I ain't got no 16, I ain't coming in. Bottles at the bottom, tell them spin it in. I got kids on call, yeah, I go hard. Nails too long to be fighting these bars. Pussy stay clean, a nigga gon' see a whole lot of.
So today I am heading to Guac y Margys. I'm going to be doing like a Beyoncé trivia, so that's why I am in my Beyoncé on the run shirt from the tour. So speaking of Beyonce, that new Cowboy album just came out. So what do y'all think about that album? Let me know what y'all think. Currently my favorites are Sweet Honey Buckin'. I like Levi jeans. I also, what's the other one I said I liked? Jolene. It's a couple of them that I like with it. The album had to grow on me a little bit, but I was just like, all right, cool, I can deal with this. But yeah, so I am getting ready to head on out. So I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I am at the spot.
This message is only for bad bitches. Why are you letting people play with you and make you think that you not what you know that you are? Baby, go out there and be a bad bitch. Go out there and be great in their face and do not apologize for it. You understand me? Mother girl.
This month is all pop icon trivia, so we've got Beyonce, we've got Taylor Swift, Michael Jackson, and Britney Spears. Next month we're going to go back to sitcoms, and then we're going to do like Friends, and I don't know, Friends is the only one I care about, so there's more. So every month is a different theme, so be able to look out for those on our social medias. For tonight's winners, you get $50 gift card, and then for second place you get 25, third place gets 15. So next time we come in for another trivia that we want to participate in, you're able to use that. And yeah, I think that's it. And I've got one back that asked me to hold on, so thank you.
Alright, so they want to know today what kind of pets Beyonce has. Y'all know it's good. I don't know it. Alright, let's see what Google got to say. Oh, that's They said she had a dog named Munchies. They said she have a station. She's still named Munchie. Yeah, Munchie, a dog. Trying to what? Yeah. Oh, I can let you up. You have to go right here.
Oh, I'm not about to do that. Give me a few minutes.
What you want to eat?
Some tacos, man.
These are tacos you see from Rice Chicken. And then a drink.
I thought we only get the margarita.
It's from either here or here. Oh yeah. I got a strawberry, whatever. Hey,
Oh, fuck. Me and her started talking. I forgot.
I'll ask her real quick.
So y'all